In a remote, inaccessible part of Sindhudurg district of the coastal Konkan region of Maharashtra state, not too far away from a town named Kudal, is a remote but pristinely beautiful village of Nerurpar. In this small village, with no proper educational facilities and complete lack of scientific awareness, our Vasundhara Public Charitable Trust organization has been working rigorously for the past 17 years towards cultivating scientific attitude. Starting from the school level, it is working to spread the reach of its work to the masses. This dream called Vasundhara was started by Mr. C. B. Naik, an ex-Bank of India official who has always believed that if India has to progress, then this progress has to start at ground zero.
तर आपण कुठे काम करावं की जिथे मुलांना किंवा दुर्गम भागातल्या खेड्यांच्या मुलांसाठी काहीतरी काम करता म्हणून हा सिंधुदुर्ग जिल्हा निवडला. कारण इथे दुर्गम भागातल्या शाळा किंवा इतर शाळांमधून कुठेही विज्ञानाच्या प्रयोगशाळा नाही आहेत. तर या मुलांना विज्ञानाचे प्रयोग किंवा गणित आणि इतर टेक्नॉलॉजी जर आपण शिकवली तर हे फार उपयोगी पडेल. ह्या उद्देशाने या सिंधुदुर्ग जिल्ह्यामध्ये मी आलो.
The organization that has started in his backyard with only 2 volunteers has spread its wings to a 4.5-acre campus, and its activities reach more than 100 villages today. More than 300,000 students have benefited so far through its projects. What follows is a short glimpse into the most important of the multitude of projects that Vasundhara is running. Science on Wheels is one of the most important programs at Vasundhara. The motivation behind the Science on Wheels program is to promote science education through development of logic, systematic observation, and experimentation. It seeks to make learning science an enjoyable experience. One truly striking aspect of all the experiments and activities of the Science on Wheels program is the ingenious usage of everyday items to create demonstrative experiments and exhibits. Even though all the instructors or coordinators appointed by Vasundhara are fresh science graduates and haven't been with Vasundhara for very long, their level of involvement in the project is fairly strong.
आणि ज्यावेळी की ना एखाद्या खेडोपाडी आम्ही जातो ना त्यावेळी ते शिकवण्यात आम्हाला खूप आनंद मिळतो. कारण त्या मुलांना की ना त्याचं चंचुपात्र म्हणजे काय, परीक्षा नळी म्हणजे काय हेच माहिती नसतं. त्याच्यामुळे त्याची दाखवण्यात आणि त्यांची माहिती करून देण्यात खूप आनंद मिळतो.
We have observed that most of these students come from a very poor and illiterate household and have never gotten a chance to express their views or ask a question. This naturally gives rise to inhibitions and timidity. But over a period of few visits, the Vasundhara staff has found that children have become more free, less shy, blank faces have turned into inquisitive ones. National Talent Search Examination is conducted by central government and 750 students are selected from all over India. They are given scholarships to pursue the higher studies in any faculty of their choice. Apart from the monetary benefit to the students, it also has great prestige. Ever since the organization started its counseling for the National Talent Search exam in 1997, the number of recipients of this scholarship has been increasing constantly.
शिकवण्याची पद्धती एकंदर बेस्ट आहे. कसं शाळेमध्ये कसं शिक्षक पुढे राहून बोलतो, कोणा मुलाचं लक्ष नसेल तर त्याला उठवतो, प्रश्न विचारतो, शिक्षा करतो, बसवतो. इकडे तसं काय नाही. शिक्षक मुलांमध्येच मिसळून सांगतात, कळलं नाही तर परत परत सांगतात. कुठल्या मुलाचं लक्ष नसेल तर त्याला विचारतात, जर त्याला कळलं नाही तर त्याला परत सांगतात. त्यामुळे शिक्षा वगैरे तर प्रश्नच नाही आणि त्या उलट उत्तम कळतं.
Before 1997, only a student or two were able to pass this exam. By now, over 53 students have received this scholarship and the success rate is steadily climbing up year by year. And today, Sindhudurg district is performing better than even big urban areas like Mumbai and Pune.
पहिल्या परीक्षेला महाराष्ट्रात पहिला आणि दुसऱ्या परीक्षेला 611. तिकडे आम्ही निवासी शिबिरं असायची आणि 5-6 दिवस सलग तिथेच राहायचं. त्याच्यामुळे एक सलगता असायची अभ्यासात. आणि सकाळपासून रात्रीपर्यंत अभ्यासच होता आणि मध्ये आम्ही खेळायचो पण अभ्यास जास्त होता. सगळे सर चांगले चांगले शिक्षक शिकवायला यायचे आणि ते असं वेगळ्या पद्धतीने एक विचार करायला शिकवायचे. त्याचा खूप फायदा झाला.
Because of this, we are observing a previously unheard of trend where students from cities and big towns are coming to our center for training. But for us, what matters the most is the fact that by receiving the scholarships and also interacting with the more privileged students from urban areas, our students are able to feel confident about their ability to dream big and fulfill those dreams. In a few years, these talented students will contribute towards the progress of this region and ultimately that of India. Eureka Hall is a micro version of any large science center dedicated to encourage students to have a first-hand feel on experimentation. Number of science experiments are arranged in this hall, and students, teachers, and general public are induced to perform and find out the reasoning behind this. Since most of the students would be visiting the Eureka Hall more than once to grasp the concepts of the models exhibited out here, they will attain a depth of understanding and being to develop their own ideas and thinking on a scientific plane. A new project for cancer testing and identification of cancer patients has been initiated. Under this project, eminent doctors from India and abroad conduct cancer checkups, train the local nurses, give health advice to patients and spread awareness.
माझे मित्र डॉक्टर अनिल नेरुळकर हे सातत्याने अमेरिकेतून इथे येत असतात आणि कॅन्सरचा अवेअरनेसचा कार्यक्रम, कॅन्सर जागृती प्रोग्राम हा आम्ही सुरू केलेला आहे आणि त्याला प्रचंड प्रतिसाद इथे मिळत आहे.
This is the first ever such effort in the district. Many meetings are being conducted to raise awareness about the severely harmful effects of tobacco or gutka consumption. The consumption of tobacco has increased a lot in the younger generation. So timely checkups have become very important. The organization has conducted mobile anti-cancer campaigns in 13 villages of the district. From this year, we have started showing a 1-hour video explaining the harmful outcomes of this fatal addiction to school and college students in order to dissuade them from indulging in it. So far, about 9,000 students have seen this video. We intend to rid our district completely of cancer through this program. In addition to these key projects, Vasundhara runs many other smaller projects like teacher trainings, stargazing, National Children's Science Congress, National Science Day, and Sunday School of Science. There are around 19 projects currently being run. Along with improving science education in Sindhudurg district, a wider objective of Vasundhara is to create opportunities for a well-rounded education that does not look at science as detached from other branches of knowledge. As a first step towards this goal, the first Konkan Film Festival was organized by Vasundhara at the Science Center. In a region where no film theatres exist, Vasundhara brought an inspiring medley of exemplary world cinema as well as excellent Indian films, along with eminent personalities from various arenas of filmmaking to interact with the locals. The center aims to start a long-term process of improving the visual literacy in the Sindhudurg district. Through these programs, run consistently over the past 18 years, Vasundhara has emerged as an important voice in the educational arena of the district. The center and all the projects have received numerous visits from eminent personalities and has been heartily praised by all of them. A milestone in realizing this dream came with the procurement of 4.5 acres of land in Nerurpar. The plan for a state-of-the-art, well-equipped science center worth Rs 75 million is ready.
पारंपरिक बांधकाम साहित्य व रचनाला सुसंगत असं हे नियोजित बांधकाम असावं. त्याच्यासाठी जांभा दगड आणि उतरती छप्र मेंगलोरी कौलाची जी पारंपरिक पद्धत आहे त्याचा वापर करून ते बांधण्यात आलेला आहे. एकूण संपूर्ण रचना ही 50,000 स्क्वेअर फुटाची आहे. आतापर्यंत त्याच्यामध्ये 9,000 स्क्वेअर फुटाचं बांधकाम पूर्ण झालं असून आता 9,000 स्क्वेअर फूट बांधकाम सोडून जे प्रकल्प या केंद्रामध्ये चालू आहेत त्याच्यासाठी तातडीने अजून 10,000 चौरस फुटाची बांधकामाची गरज अत्यंत निकडीची अशी वाटते.
All these programs have infrastructure costs, running costs, as well as administrative and other overheads. The organization is financed only through the patronage of our donors and friends.
या संस्थेला मदत करण्याकरता मला आवडतं कारण त्यांचे सगळे व्यवहार पारदर्शक असतात आणि प्रत्येक गोष्ट त्यांच्याकडे तळमळीने केली जाते. नुसतं स्वतःच्या गावात पुरता त्यांचा विकास किंवा त्यांचं कार्य नाही आहे, तर आजूबाजूच्या सगळ्या जिल्ह्यांकरता याच्याकरता त्यांनी स्वतःला जोडून घेतलेलं आहे. त्यामुळे त्यांना भरघोस मदत करणं हे मी स्वतःचं कर्तव्य समजतो आणि असंच आपण सर्वांनी त्यांना मदत केली पाहिजे असं मला वाटतं.
अगदी छोट्या छोट्या गावांमधून येणाऱ्या मुलांमध्ये भरपूर टॅलेंट आहे, ती आपण रुजवू शकतो, त्यांना उच्च शिक्षणापर्यंत पोचवू शकतो. अशा स्वरूपाचं पथदर्शी काम भारतासाठी ही संस्था करते आहे आणि असं पथदर्शी काम करणाऱ्या संस्थांना आपण सगळ्यांनीच भरघोस पाठिंबा दिला पाहिजे.
The yearly running costs of Vasundhara are about 1.5 million rupees. Many a times we have to limit the reach of our projects in spite of serious need and demand due to lack of funds. Even a small contribution from you goes a long way in increasing our reach. For instance, the cost of a dinner for two is the running cost for taking our Science on Wheels lab and the mobile library to one new school. Or your one-day salary can pay for a whole year's coaching of one deserving underprivileged child. Your participation will help us at every step. We invite you to join hands with us in bringing this region the attention and nurturing that its bright young minds deserve. We want each and every kid in this rural area to doubt all that is believed and feared. We want to create a secular, forward-thinking generation that can make a difference.